Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix Zenless Zone Zero crashing on mobile. So if this game is crashing on your mobile phone and it's not performing very well, so you should know that ZZZ is very demanding. Most mobile crashes are caused by overheating, low RAM, or graphics settings being too high for your device. So what you can do is lower in-game graphics. This is the number one fix for most mobile crashes. What you have to do is just go to the menu first, settings, and then graphics, and then set it to low or medium. You can also turn off anti-aliasing and lower render resolution settings. And you can restart and clear RAM. Force all background apps if they're running on your phone, like if there are anything that's running on your background, just simply close them and then try playing ZZZ. And you can also let your phone cool down. Overheating is a major crash trigger. Remove your phone case, play somewhere cool, and avoid charging while playing. Take a 5-minute break if it's too hot. And basically update the game. Open App Store or Google Play Store, and what you can do is just basically update the game and check if ZZZ has pending update. They all regularly patches, they give them, and also staying is current is essential. And then you can also clear the app cache. How you can do that: if you're an iPhone, just simply go to your settings, and what you have to do is just go to general and then software, iPhone storage, and right over here you gotta find the ZZZ. So I don't have it, but for instance, if this is the app, just simply press on offload app and then reinstall. The data stays, but it's just gonna clear the cache. And for Android, you just need to go to settings, apps, and then find ZZZ, and then press on storage and then clear cache. You can also update your OS. Make sure your iOS or Android is fully updated. ZZZ minimum requirements are Android 8.0 and iOS 13 plus for iPhone, so make sure that you're not on older versions. And the last thing you can do is just switch to stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is slow, just basically switch it to some stable Wi-Fi connection and check if it's working, or move closer to the router. And if nothing is working, uninstall and reinstall. Your progress is saved, so your whole reverse account just log back in after reinstalling and you're good to go. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you. I'll see